Hey, gang, I'm Carl White, and I help loan officers close more loans. Hey, I'm sitting here at my little thinking spot, or one of my little thinking spots, these little two chairs here. Me and the lovely Mrs. White spent a fair amount of time out here just pondering things. And what I've been pondering the last few mornings is why didn't that real estate agent refer their last deal to you? Or why didn't the last prospect end up using you for a loan officer? And I found out that it's four things and four things only. There's only four reasons why somebody doesn't use you. You solve these four things, you'll absolutely crush it. So, number one, they didn't know you. They either didn't know who you were or kind of like what you stood for. Come to find out, that was actually pretty easy to fix. Number two, not relatable, right? I wasn't talking on their level, wherever that was. I just wasn't relatable. Number three, maybe you didn't have a clear plan, right? And maybe the clear plan was number one for how we should work with them, and number two, give them a clear plan of why they should work with you, right? Come to find out, that one's pretty easy too. I've been looking for the solution for each of these. I've been working on it, and I think I totally nailed it. And then the fourth reason, didn't ask for the business, right? Didn't ask for a commitment. Didn't ask them for, hey, can I count on for that next referral? Didn't ask them, hey, is there anything that would prevent me from being your lender? Didn't have a call to action. You solve these four things, you'll absolutely smack it out of the park. And as I've been working on the solution for each of these four, come to find out, it's not that hard. Like, it really isn't. And we've totally nailed this one. I think everybody knows I'm a non-producing branch manager for a team that closes literally hundreds of loans a month. And so this isn't just theory, something that just sounds good, something that I was working on 20 years ago or that I've never worked on at all. These are things that we're actually doing. And we just dissected, like, not just myself, but other like top producers. How did they solve these four problems? And I think we got it nailed. So we're going to be going over these and on a series that we're doing where we're going to go over each of the four. And it's just not that hard once you know how, right? And so we're going to show you how. So somewhere on here, there's a link, there's a website, there's an email address or something. Just go to where it says and come join us, and we'll map this out for you. It's going to be a series. It's going to be a very good use of your time. You solve these four things. It's not that hard. It's been my experience, which is vast. You'll absolutely crush it. So anyway, I think that's it. So if there's not a link here, I'm sure there is. You can go to getmoreloans.com and just tell them you want to see the four ways. Like, you want to be a part of that, and we'll get you hooked up. So yeah, you need to know this. All right, I'll see you on the inside.